Hey guys, what's going on? I'm here to show you how to delete game data and reset your game in iOS 13. Before getting started, if you're using iOS 9 and below or iOS 10 to 12, I have made separate videos for both. Check the description for those videos or click on the pop-up that must be on top right side of your screen, or you may get those videos on the end of this video. Now without wasting any more time, let's get started. As you can see, I'm having Temple Run, which I have played for a couple of minutes. Let's open this first. As soon as I open, you might be seeing this pop-up which shows that I'm connected to Game Center. Okay, let's see my stats of the game. You can see I have achieved some high score. Now to delete the progress, head over to Settings, Your Name, iCloud, Manage Storage, scroll down, then hit Backups, select your device and search for the game that you want to delete its data. As you can see, I have some amount of data stored by the game on iCloud. To delete this, turn off the switch. Then you get a pop-up like this, hit turn off and delete. Now your data from iCloud is deleted. One more thing is left, that is to reinstall your game. To do that, go to Settings, General, iPhone Usage, then search for the app and hit on Delete. Wait a sec, I forgot to say you this. Do not delete the app directly like this. It may not delete the data on your device. To delete it completely, delete app from Settings. Now you can install your game right from the App Store. Now enjoy your game from the scratch. That's all for this video. Catch you again until the next video. Help me out in making 1K subscribers and don't forget to turn the thumbs up button blue. Comment down if you're having any issues or to make another video of something.